Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Happy Crafty Easter project. Today I have a really fun layered card for you. This is my Happy Easter layered card. Isn't that super fun with that front cover panel? All of this is just simply cut out on your machine and then you layer it together. There's a spot on the inside for your message. And of course I included an envelope as well. Now this card can be made on any Cricut cutting machine. Those of you using a Cricut Joy will have to use a pre-made card base and envelope in order to make this card. Let's get our materials ready and get started. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Happy Crafty Easter 2023. If you're watching this after the event has ended, you can find the individual cut file for purchase in my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com. There's also a link in the description box below. If you're interested in the VIP Access Pass, which gives you all 12 event files, commercial licensing, printable worksheets, video tutorials, and bonus Easter cut files, there's a link for more information in the description box. No matter how you purchase the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines in any text. Now that the file has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We need to do a few things as far as converting some of these score lines, so find the envelope, highlight the score line, come up to the operation menu and change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing for the card base, highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once the scoreline for the envelope and for the card base has been converted, you can go ahead and click Make It. I'll be using the mat for this project, and you'll see the different mats for this card. Go ahead and click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this project. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, now that everything has been cut out, it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and layer up the front cover panel. So you're just going to layer the cutout piece that has the Happy Easter sentiment on top of the solid piece. Isn't that cool with that decoration on there? I love it. Now we can go ahead and mat and layer our messaging panel. Now we can take our card base, go ahead and fold and burnish along the score line. Open that card base up. We can add our messaging panel to the inside. Go ahead and close up the card base and add the front cover panel to the front of the card. And there is our Happy Easter layered card. I'll set that to the side and I will show you how to make the envelope. So for the envelope, we're just going to go ahead and fold and burnish along all the score lines. Add glue to the outer edge of the inlay panel. Place the inlay over the cutout on the envelope. Spin the envelope around. Bring those side flaps in. Add your glue to the bottom of those side flaps. And then with your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms our envelope. And our card is all set. Wasn't this super cute? I love how quick and easy these ones are, and they come together really, really fast. I've also included another version within the download. This is the other Happy Easter layered card. Isn't that fun? With the Easter Bunny walking through the different hills, the Easter eggs there in the front, and then those pretty flowers there as well. Like I said, this one is also included in the download, and you can pick and choose which one you prefer. If you make these cards, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of crafty friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I'll see you at the next crafting video. Bye.